This is my explanation for my teaching website. It's Madame Rego's French 1 class. So here's the title, and then of course this is all having to do with the principles of psychology, which are used in and throughout the lesson planning. So here's a little introduction and overview of the class, of the first unit of the class. And then in this part, we're going to have blogs and things that are posted by me, or if my students want to submit blogs, they can view those blogs here. This is also something you can click on. So for example, this is the first one that I wrote about taking pictures of people in Paris, or using photography as a way to meet locals when you travel. So there's a gallery here of photos of different people that I met. And then you can go scroll down, and then here is how you can contact me. This is something that works for students or administrators, or people who are interested in the lessons or who have any questions. After that, we have theories for the unit. This is basically where I just explain unit or lesson by lesson how each principle of psychology is used, or in that particular lesson. Many of the lessons have several principles within them. So it starts out with lesson 1, which is talking about introduction to French geography. After that is lesson 2, which is where the students start learning French vocabulary for the first time. And then lesson 5, we're talking about metacognitive techniques and sentence construction. And then we go to unit 1, lesson 6, where we add in colors and as adjectives. And then finally, this is lesson 9, where we review everything before the assessment. So these are the core teaching lessons within the unit. And then to see the lesson plans, you can go to this page if you're wanting to learn more about each individual lesson plan and how that pertains to the theorists and the theories. Then please watch the next video. As you can see, so this goes all the way to lesson 9. And if you go to the next tab, this is where all the unit plans are going to be posted. And they're posted week by week, so you can just click on this and see there's the Do Now section, the objectives for the week, classwork for the week, closing, and then homework as well. So if students are wondering what they need to do for homework, for example, if they missed class, or if they were in a rush or had to leave early or something like that, then they can look here for their homework. And so you should be able to see, 2 weeks worth of homework and lesson plans so far. After that, we have the assessments, which are going to be posted after the tests are complete. So this won't be visible to the students until after that, and then this can be used as a review tool and something that they can use to understand and correct their assessments. Obviously, you've already clicked on this tab because this is where this video is appearing. And finally, we have the reference section. and this is where all of the references that I have used for this website and in future units and lesson plans will be. So thank you for listening.